You ready, sweetie? Come on. Come on, let's go. Leave that alone. So cute with her little backpack. Come on, we gotta go. We're heading out. Yeah, you dropped your pancake. Yep. We can't eat it though now, okay? You ready to go? Let's go to the car. Hey you guys, welcome back to my Vlogmas. There's only one episode left after this one because I believe it ends on Christmas. So I'll be sharing with you guys what I do on Christmas and that'll be the end. Now we can have a conversation about how you guys would like me to transition out of Vlogmas. I do plan on vlogging my real life vlogs after this, but we can talk about a schedule, maybe, we'll see. So Anne is at therapy, so this is my opportunity to prepare my house and my space for Christmas. Not only just the whole like planning out, you know, having family over and stuff like that, but making room for the new presents and things, especially as it relates to Anne's stuff. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along to kind of show you how I plan on making room for all of her new toys and stuff, and just kind of getting rid of some of the toys and things that she's kind of phased out of, cleaning up basically, throwing away broken toys and things that we're not using anymore, and just kind of reorganizing for the new stuff. Because what I don't want is for chaos to ensue tomorrow once she opens all these gifts and there's all this new stuff and then there's all the crap in her room. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with that and just kind of showing you how I kind of prep for Christmas Day. By the way, after Christmas, should I leave these lanterns here? You know, obviously getting rid of the garland and the fake snow, but it looks so good on my stairs. I don't know, I might have to consider it. I know I'm leaving the ones on the fireplace. Let me know if you guys think that's a little too much for these stairs. Let me know. This is the current state of Anne's room after a playing spree. And then some of it kind of spilled out into the hallway. She likes to kind of organize everything. So these are all her favorite toys. So she's got them all pushed together. She just kind of rummages through. Her thing is just dumping these bins out and spilling everything out so she can see where everything is. So what we're doing today, you guys, is getting rid of a lot of these miscellaneous plastic toys because she doesn't really care about them anyway. Plus some of them are broken. Random stuff like this little plastic block is supposed to be whole like this one, but a piece of it fell off. Random dollhouse parts, you know, the little house that she doesn't even play with, broken toy accessories, random things that we bought for her that she just never took to. So it makes no sense to continue keeping it in here so she can just throw it around, you know, just random stuff. Or also toys that were fails. So like we bought her this little cash register thing, and these are supposed to be the fake credit cards. And so all she does is just chew on these. So we need to get rid of this. A lot of the things that she still mouths, we need to throw away because it's not productive, it's not helping us, and it's not helping her. And this is her closet area, which is fine. But again, with the random toy parts, some of this stuff we just need to throw out. And I need to just go through this drawer because these are all her puzzle parts and just organize and make sure we're not keeping anything that she's not actually using and that kind of thing. Okay, now it's time to clean up, like sanitize. So I'm going to clean her floors using two of my favorite tools. This first one is an Onsun cordless vacuum cleaner. It works for hard floors as well. If you guys want to check out this cordless vacuum, it's pretty okay. It has a turbo option, so it has a couple different settings. If you guys want to learn more about it, I'll put the link in my description box. I did order it from Amazon, so let's go ahead and get the floors cleaned. So the floors are nice and swept. They look really good. The next tool that I'm going to use is my, what is this? My O-Cedar spray mist mop. I'll also put the link to this below if you guys want to check it out. These are refills that you can buy separately. I have about 3 of them, so I'm able to take off the dirty one, pop it in the washing machine, and then use the clean one. You want to start off cleaning your floors with a dirty mop. I feel like that's an issue for people because basically you're just spreading the dirt from one area of the house to another. So I like being able to interchange those mop heads and put on a clean one. Inside this area here, I just have a teaspoon or 2 of Murphy's oil soap. That's kind of what I use on my floors these days because they're so dark. I like them to kind of have that shine. So I put only like a teaspoon or 2 in there, and I just added water. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and spray clean these floors. The other thing that I wanted to say is that I love using this mop for up here, especially because I'm able to spray just a nice light mist on these floors to get them nice and clean. It doesn't require more than that. Also, these are laminate floors up here. They're like the cheaper of any floor you can possibly get, and they can't handle a lot of water. If you mop these floors with a bunch of water out of a mop bucket, you're gonna ruin them over time. Like, I'll give it 3 years and the floors are gonna start buckling. So you definitely want to use a very small amount of water. So I feel like Murphy's oil soap is a great cleaning solution, or anything naturally derived or plant derived would be good on these types of floors. But whatever you do, just use as little water as you can. So the way that you clean these floors is to mimic basically like wiping something down with a washcloth. If you were cleaning your kitchen countertops, you wouldn't just dump a bucket of water right on them. You would take maybe a damp towel and wipe them down. That's the same methodology for these floors. And last but not least, I'm gonna use my Good and Clean disinfectant wipes to wipe down her dresser top. And really any surface in here is gonna get hit with this. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is just spray down her bedding with some of this Caldrea linen and room spray. You guys, this stuff smells so freaking good. This is the sea salt neroli one. It is absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend using this on your bedding, your fabric curtains, your rugs, your stuffed animals, anything in your house that has a tendency to absorb smell. you should definitely be spraying it with this. It's kind of like a Febreze type of thing, but this is a lot better. And I checked and it's safe for children's rooms and things that they're gonna be in contact with. All right, so this is how everything turned out. The gremlin is actually back home, so she's downstairs. Okay, so everything in here is clean, right? It's ready to receive all of the stuff that's gonna be coming in here, and she'll have like a nice clean area to play and sort through all of her toys and figure everything out. The whole point of this kind of reboot of her room right before Christmas is that, you know, my daughter's on the spectrum, so she plays with toys very differently, and we have a bunch of toys that either have or have not worked for her, some things that she's broken, some things that she plays with incorrectly, some things that she chews on and now has become a choke hazard, and all this different kind of stuff. So I just wanted to get all that crap out of here so that we can start from scratch. I also like to keep things minimal. I'm kind of a low-key minimalist, and a lot of people don't know that about me, but I absolutely get a rush, a thrill out of throwing things away. I'm so excited when I throw things away or get rid of things, make room for new, and out with the old and that type of stuff. So that was also a part of this. So I went through and just kind of reorged her storage bins over here. Nothing too drastic and too major, but we did get rid of a lot of stuff. This was her little miscellaneous toy drawer. This was the most full drawer in here. I threw away probably 2/3 of the contents of this drawer, and I feel really happy about it. Basically just only keeping some of the plastic toys that she has not tried to eat and the things that I've actually seen her play with functionally. So we're keeping all of that. I have a drawer with just her little soft letters and numbers and soft spongy puzzle pieces. This hasn't changed. These are some of the wooden Melissa and Doug type of puzzles that she has, and then I just kind of put all the parts to those puzzles in here. We may change that later, but for now that'll work. Some more wooden puzzles here. An empty bin, yay! Okay, this is kind of what I was striving for, to have a fully empty bin so that this can house a lot of her newer toys. So I'm excited about that one. And then we're gonna keep this one as her instrument drawer for now. All of her wooden blocks, we're still keeping those because these are really helping her with coordination and colors and all that kind of stuff. And so that's it for this corner, okay? Another exciting accomplishment, because this is totally empty now, so it can house a lot of her newer toys and dolls and whatever. So I'm happy about that. Her closet has never really been cluttered in any kind of way, to be honest, but it's just in a better position now, simply because I did reorganize how we do her toys down here, so there's no random toys just kind of on the floor. I went ahead and put her electronic learning toys, like her VTech electronic books and things, and her balls in here, so it's more easily accessible for her to get on her own. And that's pretty much it in here. Nothing else was really out of order. This is kind of just the same kind of setup, but I'm just really happy that I was able to clean the floors and sanitize and everything, so she is good to go for influx of toys that she's going to be receiving. I needed to get in here and clean her room anyway, you guys, so this was just an excuse to do that. Really, really happy about the cleanliness in here. It's really spick and span. Relieves so much stress for me. I feel so much more, you know, at ease that her room is super clean. Oh yeah, so the table that came with these chairs, you guys, I had to throw it out because it got ruined. She had another bowel movement accident. We've been having a lot of those lately, unfortunately, and some of the material got on the table, and I was not gonna be bothered with cleaning that. I don't think I would have been able to clean it as well as it needed to be cleaned, so I went ahead and threw it out. So she's just got her chairs here all by themselves. I'll probably buy another table because the thing is only like $30 at IKEA, so I'll probably just get another one. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. I just wanted to share kind of how I was addressing Anne's room in preparation for her Christmas presents. I know I look kind of crazy, got on my little head wrap or whatever, but you know, it's just a regular day in, just kind of one of those days where I was kind of here alone. My husband was at work or whatever, and I was just like, let me be productive. Let me think of some ways to be productive. Sometimes I do that, so I wanted to share my day with you all. So that's it for today's vlog. Tomorrow is the last Vlogmas video. I'll be sharing with you guys what I do for Christmas. So stay tuned if you like, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.